If you're experiencing server timeout issues on your Steam Deck, follow these simple steps to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your internet speed on another device. If the connection is weak, consider moving closer to the router or using a wired connection. Step 2. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely and then turn it back on to refresh the system and network settings. Step 3. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then System, and check for any available updates. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Navigate to the network settings on your Steam Deck and try changing the DNS settings. Using a public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1 can often improve connection stability. Step 5. Limit background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This will free up resources and improve your connection to the Steam servers. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Steam Deck server connectivity. Enjoy your gaming.